Monday motivation. Monday motivation.
Oh yeah, yo, word, your boy Coach G. It's Motivational Monday, and I'm out here with Delta the Dog. We added it again. Now check it. This week is all about responsibility, and your responsibility in particular. Not responsibility for your life, but responsibility for self. Your life is comprised of a bunch of things, people, all kinds of stuff. I want you to be responsible just for self on this week. Why? Because responsibility is the key to being elite. People ask me all the time, what does being elite mean? It literally means being the best of the best, the choice part of a thing. But if you aren't responsible for self, you aren't responsible for where you are, you aren't responsible for where you're going, you will never ever operate in this elite space. So today, I'm giving you the tip of the week. It is simply to be responsible for self. Because when you are responsible for self, you will be nothing less than elite. Now keep it elite and let's go.